Well, here we are with Allison from UBM. Now, Allison, can you just tell us a little bit about the event and what it is that you're specifically doing here today?
Yes. Today we are actually being audited. We are an ISO 2012-1 certified event for sustainable event management. So we try as much as possible to focus on reducing the environmental impact that we have, as well as then increasing the positive impact that we have. So we work on setting objectives for the event that we try to achieve year on year to continually improve the impact that we have.
So obviously, producing a huge event like this, obviously it's going to have the consequences and the impact. How do you go about making it more sustainable? What actions do you take?
So we look at areas, for example, like this, the VIP lounge that we're standing in. We try to reduce the amount of materials that we're using and really focus on reducing and reusing the materials and making sure that we're making the most sustainable choices possible. We look at sourcing the paper on sustainable sourced paper, of course, and we also look at reducing the amount of materials that we're using. And of course, also very much focusing on engaging with charity partners as well. So Protection and Management has Crash as their official charity partner for this year, and so they've done some really great initiatives to help them both financially and with in-kind donations.
Fantastic. So will we see the same stand here next year because you're reusing it?
You will see parts of it next year. You'll see elements of it, definitely. So we try to work with all of our suppliers in the venue to make sure that what we're doing is as responsible as possible year on year. So you will definitely see bits of things reused year on year, for sure.
Fantastic. That's brilliant. And has there been a highlight of the show for you so far today?
Yeah, I think there's some great sustainability signage in the boulevard on the sales office. So of course that's always a focus. So my colleague created it, which is fantastic, and it's great to see stuff like that being shown to our exhibitors and visitors as well, that we are trying to be a more responsible business. Yeah.
Because have you been able to showcase the sustainability side to all the exhibitors that are here today? So I suppose hopefully they're going to follow in your footsteps and do the same.
Hopefully that's the idea, that everybody will also build their stands as sustainably as possible as well. So try to reduce the amount of waste that we produce, of course.
Have you been checking up on them?
A little bit. The build-up, we did go around, and my colleague is doing a survey and looking at the amount of materials that are reused year on year and trying to get a little bit more insight into what's happening on the show and what our exhibitors are doing and what they're using with what kind of materials they're using. So.
Fantastic, brilliant. Well, it's great to see that a show of this size and of this calibre is as sustainable as it is. Alison, thank you very much, and we wish you all the best for the rest of the show.